Yo, what's good? We about to tap into another Doug Exile. Let's tap in.
Alina Habba smashes Letitia James in a public takedown because Letitia James just suffered a massive loss against Trump. Welcome to Doug in Exile. This is where the happy patriots are. Now we have reason to be even happier because Letitia James was trying to deny Trump's bond and she just lost in court. Here's Alina Habba.
He should not have two teams of lawyers here today. He should not even be here today because he did nothing wrong. It is the epitome of a witch hunt. I just left where a judge asked us whether our cash bond, sitting in. Miss James wanted to argue and say that our cash somehow isn't green enough.
Yeah, Trump's cash is magic cash. It's not good enough for Letitia James. But she just had this setback. We'll get to more of Alina Habba. Let me show you this article first. Here's ABC News. Trump avoids challenge to $175 million bond in civil fraud case. New York AG Letitia James had argued that the bond should be rejected, but once again, she was playing politics and she got reversed in Trump's favor.
We wasted time. The judge made a comment saying he thought that money market accounts could go down under the amount. He doesn't even understand basic principles of finance, but this was the man that decided that we owed money and my client committed fraud.
Yeah, these judges are crooked. So they didn't reverse that.
Facts. These judges, they make the rules in the court. You know what I mean? Even if it's wrong, man. Like, that's why I don't even like going to court, bro. Like, when you do something and then the ball is in their court. You know what I mean? Because they crooked, man. They always going to pick and who they want to win, and even if they wrong in a situation, like, these judges be crooked, man. Some of them be crooked.
Decision, they reversed the one about the arguing for the bond because that was political. Here's back to ABC News. With all eyes on Trump's criminal trial, attorneys for the former president on Monday quietly resolved a dispute. Quietly. I love how Alina Habba is not quiet on this. Quietly resolved a dispute over the structure of a bond he secured as part of the massive judgment levied against him in the New York Attorney General's civil lawsuit. Here's Alina Habba not going quietly.
We are going to attack every single one. 1 hour, the Attorney General and that judge realized quickly that they had no idea what they were talking about. We came to an agreement that everything would be the same. We would modify terms, and that was it. This is where your taxpayer dollars are going, America. Right here. Witch hunt after witch hunt.
Well, that's where New York taxpayer dollars are coming. Some of them are from the federal, but mostly from New York, so I'm glad I'm not paying into that. Back to the article, quote, "Where is everyone?" unquote. Judge Arthur Engoron quipped before hearing arguments on Monday. The only reference made to the criminal proceedings underway 1 block north at 100 Center Street because Trump's involved in another case. Judge Engoron goes, "Hey, where is everyone?" Mm-hmm. Yeah, keep cracking jokes, buddy. Hopefully you'll be in jail right after Trump gets into office. The New York Attorney General Letitia James had challenged the validity of a $175 million bond posted by the former president's business. If Judge Arthur Engoron had ruled in James's favor, Trump could once again have been at risk of having some of his most cherished assets seized by the state. So these Democrats, they pushed it as far as they can, and now they got rebutted because they don't know what they're talking about when it comes to finances or the law.
President Trump's company was worth more in that case than it is now. And now what? We're here because of something that happened when he was in the White House that wasn't even wrong. It was not wrong. You hire lawyers to solve problems, lawyers solve those problems, you pay them. That's it.
This is about the Stormy Daniels case where Trump paid Michael Cohen to do non-disclosure agreements and all that stuff. This is all normal stuff for his business. Even Fani Willis has a non-disclosure agreement going. Most employers have it with their employees or their clients, especially high-profile clients. So they're trying to make it stand out like Trump did something criminally wrong. He didn't do anything wrong with the Stormy Daniels case. But the attorneys for Trump managed to avoid the fate for now by acquiescing to several stipulations proposed by the Attorney General's office. James's office had expressed concern with, quote, awkward language, unquote, in the bond agreement that might allow the defendants or their surety to swap the cash bond out with less secure form of collateral like mutual funds or other assets that can fluctuate in value.
This is a joke. It's an affront to the American Constitution. It's an affront to our judicial system, and it's an affront to every lawyer that cares about their license, that cares about what is right and wrong. I am sick of coming in front of the press and saying this, but you have to, because you people need to understand what is going on.
And she's right. She's smart. It's the rule of law that's being undermined. Her law license, not specifically her, but all law licenses. What does it mean to pass the bar? What does it mean to be a judge? What does it mean to go to court? In New York, it means a witch hunt. I'd flee before I'd go to court in New York. Are you kidding? What a monkey house. That place is insane.
God forbid you put an accounting thing in for legal counsel. It's legal counsel. And now our taxpayer dollars, my time, our attorney's fees are all here because they're afraid of 2024. And you know what? They should be, because the American people are not stupid. They see what's going on. Thank you.
And we're going to end on that great note that they should be afraid of 2024 because they're going to lose because of this crap they pulled. We're going to laugh at them all the way. Let them have their little tantrum right now. We've been covering all of these cases so far on Trump. Not one victory so far. And even if they win, we're not sure if they're going to win the election because Trump so far has gained even more ground on Biden as America comes to the realization it is not Trump versus Biden, it's Trump versus the corrupt state, and he's our last shot to turn it around. After this, it'll be way too ingrained.
Yeah, like I mean, this state is corrupt, man. They make these rules, and then they behind closed doors, man. They break the rules, man. When you got that money, that power behind it, man. It's wicked, really wicked.
And too late for America. I'm Doug in exile. I hope you'll subscribe.
Nah, I agree. I agree exactly what Doug was saying. Doug in exile, man. Speaking facts. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this whole situation. And I'm out.